Hello and welcome to Aina Today with Minadim. Out of the 543 members of parliament in the Lok Sabha, 72 leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, took their oaths today, making the commencement of the new parliamentary term. The swearing-in ceremony was presided over by President Draupadi Murmu, showcasing the linguistic diversity of our nation.
मैं भर्तृहरि मेहताब जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत के प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्यों का सदापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
The newly elected MPs took their oath in various languages, reflecting the rich culture heritage of India. Oaths were administered in English and several Indian languages, including Sanskrit, Hindi, Dogri, Bengali, Assami, and Odia. Prominent leaders such as Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Anuparna Devi, J. Scindia, and M.L. Khattar took their oath in Hindi. Secunderabad MP Kishan Reddy and Bandi Sanjay Kumar took their oath in Telugu. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan took his oath in Odia.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
मैं राजनाथ सिंह जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं।
मैं अमित अनिल चंद्र शाह जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं।
मैं नितिन जयराम गडकरी जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं।
గంగాపురం కిషన్ రెడ్డి అను నేను లోక్సభ సభ్యునిగా ఎన్నుకోబడినందున
अहम श्रीपाद येसो नाईक लोकसभाया सदस्यत्वेन निर्वाचितः।
আমি সুকান্ত মজুমদার লোকসভায় সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া
ମୁଁ ଧର୍ମେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଲୋକସଭାର ସଦସ୍ୟ ରୂପେ ନିର୍ବାଚିତ ହୋଇ
ലോകസഭയിലെ അംഗമായി തെരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന
Amid members of the opposition raises need slogans, protesting alleged irregularities in competitive exams, including NEET UG. In addition, Suresh Gopi took his oath in Malayalam, Shripad Yasho Nayak in Sanskrit, Sukanta Mojamdar in Bengali, and Murlidhar Mohal in Marathi, emphasizing the linguistic plurality of our legislative body. Meanwhile, outside the parliament, the leaders of the opposition bloc India staged a significant protest. Congress President Malika Arjun Kharge, party leader Sonia Gandhi, and Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav were among those seen holding copies of the constitution as their democracy voiced their dissent against the BJP-led NDA government. In a key development, nominations for the Speaker's position must be submitted by noon on June 25th. The election for the Speaker of the Lok Sabha will take place on June 26th. The Speaker is chosen through a simple majority vote in the new Lok Sabha, a pivotal role that ensures the smooth functioning of the House and upholds the parliamentary traditions. Today's event marks a crucial start to the 18th Lok Sabha, setting the stage for what promises to be dynamic and pivotal parliamentary session. Thank you for watching Aina Today.